Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Wednesday catch up. In this evening's video, I'm going to show you how I set my mill up. That is how to tram the mill. I was doing some fly cutting the other day and the mill was a mile out of tram. I'll also show a little bit of a semi-portable steam engine. I did some film of it. It shows me steam rally. I'm going to edit some of that, tie it together and show a little bit of video of that. I was using this mill last week to do some fly cutting. This is the fly cutter I use. Just a high-speed steel bit and a commercial holder that spins round like that. Flies round, that's why it's called a fly cutter. Plus all the bits fly off, that could be part of the reason as well. What I found was happening was it was cutting on that part of the stroke, and then that part of the stroke was completely missing. Normally you hear a cut and then it just whispers that part there, which means that the milling machine's out of tram. Now tramming is the head tilting that way or that way. The other way is called nod. It's easy to adjust the tram because you can loosen those bolts off and the whole thing can spin. To do the nod you need to put little spacer shims under there, which I have done. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean off the machine bed, give it a polish up with a stone, and then we'll go about checking the tram and checking the nod to see how far out it actually is. You often get little marks, little dings and burrs on the bed. And I use a stone to take them off. A little bit of light oil. And all that stone is used for is this particular job. Nice even pressure. You're not taking much off. You can rub this for the rest of your life and you wouldn't take any off. All you're doing is removing the little raised bits, the little burrs. That's with the coarse side of the stone. And do it again on the fine side of the stone. Here's one or two what they call witness marks, clumsy bastard marks. I didn't do them. It's quite an old machine, the table is in really good condition. Right, so that's any little small imperfections removed. This is all I use to check the tram on the lathe. Just a homemade device with a clock gauge on one end. You can buy them with double clock gauges on, and I use a collar chuck, or a collar chuck, so it's held as close as possible. You don't want a big chuck sticking out of the machine. This is the most accurate method of doing it, using a collar chuck, because it's really close into the spindle. That simply goes into there. Right, we'll set a 0. Bringing it up to 0. We've got a 0 there, so if we simply turn this round to the other side, it's a mile away. I normally set the mirror up on this side so I can see both sides at once, but it is a long way away. Right, so we'll set this one to 0. Table going up, so all the backlash is taken out the lead screw. Onto 0, which is there. I'm going to turn that round 180 degrees. And if I zoom in onto the mirror, come on, focus, you bastard, you. Right, manual focusing it is. Right, you can see that gauge there is showing 80. So there's a 20 thou difference between that end And that end, these are the nuts that lock it all up. Got the right size spanner. Loosen them off a little bit. There's 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. Oh, John, you meant it when you tighten that. Right, so this time I'm going to set a 0 across here. 0 there. And we'll come around to the other side. So now we've got 30 thou. So we need to start moving this around to kind of split the difference. That way, I think. I've gone the wrong way. Right, we're getting somewhere near now, so we'll set a 0 again, table going up to 0. I'll bring this around to the other side. We'll focus on this one now. Right, so we've got 0, 0, or maybe a thou. If that, I'm kind of happy with that. I'll check it once more. Right, up to 0, which is there. Down to the other side, 0, happy with that. Right, we'll tighten these nuts up and then try it again. It's got to be really tight. And the other 2. Right, we'll check it again. Table up onto 0. There. Round 180. 0, that's good. It's 19 thou better than it was, so that should work out a lot better. You. Once again, just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. As I keep saying, if you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have subscribed, please check to make sure you still are, because I'm now on 99,000 subscribers. Anyway, thanks for watching.